Welcome to this OpsKwan training video. In this video, we will be assigning and requesting sets. We've just received a notification email and need to go into the procedure to assign sets for the selected instrument's implants. The easiest way to get to the relevant procedure in OpsKwan is to click on the link in the email. We can also use the dashboard to find the procedure, open up the pop-up and click on the View Edit link. On the procedure page, we can scroll down to see a list of all the sets that were requested on the booking sheets. Each item has an Assign link. There is also an Assign Sets button above the list. We'll start assigning the sets using this button first. When we click it, we'll see a list of all the items that were selected, each of the list of sets that we have in the warehouse. The set's name is in green if it's complete, and red if there are items missing. We can click on the set's name to see a list of all the product lot numbers that are in that set. If a set has been assigned to another procedure, a red bar will appear showing the dates it was assigned. We can click on the red bar to open up a pop-up showing that booking's information. The two vertical bars highlight the procedure date and the required date. If no required date was set, there will only be one vertical bar. To assign sets, we click on the shipment date, then click on the date we expect the set will be returned by. We'll now add the assignments for the three items we have sets for. We don't have any sets for the endo-hip implants, so we'll have to handle these another way. We can now click on the Save Set Booking button to save these assignments. Notice that the assign links have all changed to the set names that we just assigned. We now have to find a set for the endo-hip implants. We can click on the assign link to see all the sets from the entire organization. This page is very similar to the previous assign page. The difference is that we only have one item and that the sets are organized by their location. We are not allowed to assign sets from other locations. We can only send a request for them. We can see that set number 2 has no assignments for the dates we are interested in. So let's send a request to Acme. To send a request, we first mark off the item by clicking the Add a Request to Acme link. Notice that the text is changed to show who you are requesting the set from. There is also a new email request button. We'll click this button to send a request email to the other logistics department know to assign a set to your procedure. Once all the sets have been assigned, this procedure is ready. We can now create the documentation for it by clicking the PDF package button. On the email page, we can open up the PDF so we can print out a hard copy. We can also email it to relevant people. You should wait until the day of shipment to generate this PDF to ensure that the data in the PDF is up to date. If there are sets coming from other locations, each location will have its own PDF package button. This allows you to create local copies if you need them. This procedure has now had its sets assigned and is ready for shipment. If you want to learn more, please check the guide's website, guide.opskwan.com.